What's up, people? What's up? This is the end of day three. Day three of detoxing. Believe it or not, I only had one meal today, one juice today. I'm not starving. I'm not hungry. I don't feel any kind of way. I had a juice earlier today and I went for a walk, but I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty energetic. Um, End of day three, but my wife came in. My wife brought some Chick-fil-A and I could smell it. But the good part about it was I didn't have any adverse reactions. Like I was craving it. It was like, oh, okay, Chick-fil-A, I'm good. So everything is going as planned. So 7 more days to make 10 days, and I'll be at the end of this juice diet, and can't wait to see the results. I'm hoping to lose, like I said, 15 pounds, but 7 more days. Next week, Monday, is the last day. Tuesday morning, I am back to, I ain't gonna say back to eating. I might go 15 days. I don't know yet. But definitely 7 more days, okay? Stay tuned.